Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Java mystery methods are tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's break down how this string loop works to find our answer. First, examine the loop starting from the string's end. It takes each character from back to front and adds them to a new empty string called temp. Next, the method checks if this new reverse string is equal to the original input. This means the code is testing to see if the word is a palindrome that reads backwards. Finally, we check for a palindrome. Since noon is the only word that stays the same when reversed, option E is our winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid rushing, trust the given code, and check your steps carefully.